Hi, welcome to the Cortex tutorial for visual effects reference pools. Today, I will show you how to use an Avid EDL with locator comments merged to a Cortex edit timeline to burn in shot names and visual effects descriptions in your exports. For other Cortex tutorials, please visit tutorials.mtifilm.com. To access the manual, press Shift F1 at any time while Cortex is open. Let's get started. Now in Cortex, you can send VFX reference clips to a visual effects house with shot names and comments burned into the image. This can be achieved by using locators in an EDL with accompanied comments. Here is an example of an EDL with VFX locators, where the first word is the visual effect name, followed by the frame count and description of the effect. This is the recommended format for this process. First, let's create a deliverable that accurately reflects the locator fields in your EDL. In your VFX reference workflow, select New under the Deliverables column. Select a file type that is suitable for a reference clip and name the deliverable. In this case, we will make an H.264 at a resolution of HD 720p. Now choose your audio settings. You can use the audio matrix to mix channels as you wish, or simply pass through the audio from your source to your deliverable. In the output file name, add an underscore, select the drop-down menu and choose the comment first word token. Note that a space between the tokens are not acceptable. This additional token will automatically include the visual effect name as determined by the locator comment in the EDL in the rendered file name. Now, open the canvas where you will position the reference burn-ins. Under Composition, find the option for first word of comment and drag it onto the canvas. We suggest center top and adding a drop shadow for easy visibility. This reflects the first word in an EDL comments field before the first white space. In this scenario, the first word is the visual effect name. Now grab the comment field and drag it onto the canvas. This will reflect the entire comment and may include a description of the visual effect and frame count. We recommend using a smaller font to accommodate more extensive comments as they may run off the screen. A drop shadow is also recommended. Click OK, then Create, and open a new job in the VFX reference workflow. In your Avid, using the same as source output function, output a file that will be used as your reference. Now, in the Edit tab, import this file by either selecting it from the Import File option or dragging and dropping the media into the bins. Now right-click on the file, select Auto Composition, and choose Create Auto Composition and Merge EDL. Navigate to the EDL with the visual effect locators. The media will appear on a timeline with locators marking relevant VFX clips. At this point, create a composition reel by clicking New and selecting a composition reel. Use source timecode to preserve the timecode of the media, add handles if required, uncheck Include Reports if enabled, and click Create. Now navigate to the first locator on the timeline. With the VFX Reference Deliverable tab selected, the burn-ins will appear in the media player as they will in the rendered files. Mark the clip by clicking the Mark Clip button. If desired, you can include the shots before and after by marking the range. Add the clip to the reel by selecting this green arrow. After all of the clips have been added, close the reel. Once the render is complete, you can navigate to the clips by right-clicking on the completed render task and selecting Open Containing Folder, or Import into New Job in order to preview the shots. If you wish to include a PDF report of the references, right-click on the composition and choose Export Reports. Then click the Uncheck All button and enable the QC Comments PDF. Provide a path and click OK. The PDF will include stills and their corresponding shot names and descriptions. And that's the tutorial for visual effects reference pools in Cortex. To continue learning about Cortex, visit tutorials.mtifilm.com. For support, to submit a help ticket, or to find other useful information about Cortex, please check out forum.mtifilm.com. Thanks!